So once again mga ka-wonders, we're still here in Georgia and we are here in a Georgian house. This is Alex's house of Sightseeing Georgia, and we have been taken into his wine cellar, and he is actually making his own wine here in Georgia. So as you can see right now, he has already bottled wines, and this is going to be one of the things that you have to experience here in Georgia when you book with Sightseeing Georgia. And in front of me right now, look at this. These are actually wine jars, and this one is going to be opened for us tonight. Yes, you heard it right. It's going to be opened for us tonight. This has been fermented from October up to now. And this is going to be opened only here sa Wandering Kusina. So we are so excited for this experience na makita nyo rin sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa atin dito sa YouTube channel natin. And this is going to be something special para sa inyong lahat. So this is going to be a worthwhile experience sa pagbisita natin sa Georgia. Alex is with me. Alex, he's taking a video.
Paparazzi.
So Alex is with us right now, and he's going to show us. And
I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Yeah. So he's now going to open this wine.
Let's go. Let's do it. The most emotional process for everyone in the world, and especially Georgian people. Because when you have somebody, guest at your home, and you will open a clay pot, if you have lechon, better.
Oh,
yes. Then it's also a tradition that we have the lechon. But for now, sorry, at least we have barbecue of the pig. Then really Georgian people always were doing to open clay pot for the special guest. Then you guys are really special. Everyone is special to me, but you are just lucky. You just came because this got empty and this I have to open. Then you are here same time. This is amazing. Okay, let's start it now. Slowly to do it. I think it will not take a long time because it's already not freezing cold and this gold melt. I will try to do like this.
There it's open. We have just removed the clay. The sealing was used. Definitely everyone's so excited. While we are all looking at him right now, all of us are so excited. And I can feel the emotion. Look at that. It's now open.
Oh my God.
Oh my.
Oh, it's right. I don't know what will. Let's see. First I want to remove this white color things.
Alright. It's like the scum on top of a wine that needs to be removed. So look at that, guys. Tignan nyo yan mga ka-wonders. So yan yung parang napakulo ka ng meat tapos may mga scum.
Yeah, sometimes don't have this. I don't know why, but I'm also interested very much because like this long I did not have experience in my wine to keep the wine. Like this long.
How's the smell? Are you expecting this wine to be sweet? Or no, dry?
No, this kind of wine never can be sweet.
Alright, okay. How does the wine become sweet, by the way?
Wine can be sweet if grape will have the over sugar content.
Okay.
If it is more than 25.
Okay.
So that is located in Kakheti, one of the region, Khwareli. And in Khwareli there is a special microzone which has that kind of place, and the grapes are over sweet. I think this is enough for now, just to taste. So now I will use the wild pumpkin. We are calling this one.
Oh, this is pumpkin.
Wild pumpkin, yes. We are calling khrika.
Yeah.
If it is big, this is orshimo. This one.
So this is actually made from pumpkin.
Yeah. Yes.
Kalabasa, mga ka-wonders. We call it kalabasa. Yes.
Squash.
Squash. Or squash in English. Also, I mean, another term is squash.
We are remaining by Russian.
There's another term for kalabasa?
Yeah. We are calling gogra.
Gogra.
And in West Georgia, kwachi.
Kwaki.
Yes. Now we are starting to have our wine tasting. We'll see. I really don't know how it is. Let me see. Yeah. This should be like that because the actual taste is down.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Change go.
Çünkü kaçtı kırılmış.
Machine
I'm
kuma
going to
piyel
receive
down
the first wine. So here we
Machine
just
magpatala çıkıp gasince.
Suda zgosy.
Wine teresiz bir çocuk.
So you
Piala.
use this one.
Piala.
Piala.
This is what Georgians before used to drink the wine.
Okay.
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 My dear friends, no matter what type of wine now we are holding, it's wine. Then we are respecting this. Again, thanks to God, and thanks God you are visiting here to
Yes.
us in Georgia and in my winery. This is really big help us also. You are here. Then this is how actually I am in my country stay because you guys are protecting. Thank you so much for this. Then let's say cheers.
Cheers.
Go on.
I'm not
now-
expert. I'm not expert in wine, but I like it. I love it.
Yeah, that's what we are discussing now. Because just good. Then it needs to be adapted with the nature. And once we will transfer that in the bottle, it will change the style, like textile, like textura.
Yeah, the texture. Yes, you,
Texture.
like the thinness of the boldness of the wine, like how
It's smooth.
it's smooth. Yes, it is smooth.
Really.
Biri o.
I like it.
Bak ayda salıvıyor.
Yeah, I'm sorry I will not drink more because I have to drive, right?
Oh yes, you're right. That was successful.
Yeah,
amazing.
thank you very much. We
So
really have a nice wine opener. Then it was nice.
So how are you going to? So you're going to cover this once again?
No, I need to transfer in the bottles, but not.
Okay, yeah.
Maybe after tomorrow, I think I will come. Then I will start bottling.
But right now, how you will cover it again
I
with
will
the
cover it
glass?
with the same glass.
Okay.
But I don't need long time.
You don't need
just
to
to drop it.
Okay, you don't need to seal it.
No, normally once you open, you should really transfer in a bottle. I really don't want to do that because I even want to look like this. What will happen?
Okay, understood.
Again, I want to taste. I will see what will happen to these white color things.
Why AK wine?
Yeah, why Aquine?
Aquine.
Or
Aquine.
wine.
Aquine.
Because first of all, I wanted to make the two letter A and K as Aleko. My
Your
name.
name.
But more meaning it's about Adel to translate in Georgian language is Akwani. Akwani and Aquine are the similar words.
Okay.
Akwani, why? Because Georgia is cradle of the wine. It is the famous in YouTube and in Google. Everyone are recognizing this. Then I
So-
choose to be like this.
Alex is just closing it once again temporarily until he comes back because he needs to bottle all this up. All right.
Done. Enough.
Enough. Okay, let's just close this wine episode. So mga ka-wonders, that was very emotional indeed. I agree with you.
Thank you very
And
much.
we would like to thank you.
Thank you.
We would like to thank Alex for making us part of this experience, opening our first fermented wine. This will be an entirely new memory within us because of this experience.
Yes.
Thank you, Alex. And mga ka-wonders, if you like what you are looking at right now, experience the Aqui wine, right?
Aquine.
Aquine. Experience the Aquine through Sightseeing Georgia. I have put the link down below, and you can just always click that one and then message Alex directly, as well as his phone number.
Yes, thank you very much, really. I appreciate it, and I will always make sure to be host as how it should be Georgian. Thank you so much.
He has already done that a lot. And now it's time for us to eat. So for now, thank you very much for watching mga ka-wonders. Kami ang Wondering Kusina on behalf of Chef Mark. Ako si Chakoy, and with us is Alex. And we're going to say for now, stay cool, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.